Hey Boujee Babes, welcome to my room tour. So I'm basically just gonna show you guys like the stuff that I have in my room and where I got it from and how much it costs, if I remember. So here we go. So here, as soon as you walk in, I have my dream board, my vision board or whatever. So I wanna be successful very, very soon. This is Supa. She's a very successful Black entrepreneur, and I hope to one day soon be just like her or other successful Black entrepreneurs. I want a big, huge house. I want to move to Hollywood. I also want to move to Miami once I get up there. Yeah, so money, that goes with the success part. I want to get married. I want to have a baby girl. That ties in with my big house. I really want to have like 4 or 5 kids. I want like 2 girls to 2 boys, or like 3 girls, shoot, even all girls. So that ties in with my big house. I want to have a big house with a whole bunch of kids running around with my husband. I want to get married. I also want to travel. This is the only picture I could find for travel, but I definitely want to travel. I haven't tried a cruise yet. I do want to try a cruise. So yes, I want to travel the world. I want to meet Nicki Minaj. That's my favorite artist, celebrity, everything. Like, do not talk about her in front of me because you will get cussed out, period. But yeah, so Nicki Minaj, I want to meet her. This picture ties into boss friends, really. I just want to one day soon have a group of girlfriends that I can depend on and that support me and don't judge me. So yeah, I just want to have some best friends that are really like, you know, really like down for me, like I will be down for them. And then my dream closet is right here. I love shoes. I'm gonna show y'all that in a second. I love shoes. So I would love to have like a closet like this so I can just color coordinate all of my shoes. And yeah, so it's not done. Hopefully when I finish it, I'll be able to show y'all. So as soon as you come in, I have these little, I don't know what these are, these little star thingies. They like little rhinestones or whatever. And I got these from Ross. I think these were just like $20 for 3 of them. As soon as I walk in my room, I have these little 3 bling stars diagonally, okay? Now, a lot of y'all have been asking about this pink rug. It's kind of dirty because I do my makeup. I sit here in this mirror and I do my makeup. So it's kind of dirty a little bit. You can't really tell, but just a little bit, like some little spots or whatever. But I got this from Ross, $40. Ross is super cheap. They have everything. So yes, this was $40. I get like almost everything from Ross or Walmart. So this is $40. This little thing that goes over my chair, forgot what it's called, $5. $5 from 5 and Below. This is super cute and it's just hung to my ceiling over my chair. The theme of my room is like a princess, queen, boss room, you know? Hi, Prince. So this is from 5 and Below, this right here. And then I got this chair. This was $40 from Walmart. $40 from Walmart. These pillows, these Chanel pillows, they kind of have a lot of lint on them because I always have them on the floor. So these, my aunt got these made for me. I also have some on my bed. My aunt got these Chanel pillows made for me. She loves me so much. She does, like, she always gets me stuff done. Like, if I ask her, she has no problem with doing it. Like, I love her so much. So her and my mom spoiled me, like, way too much. But anyway, so yeah, my aunt got me those made. Here are my remotes for my TV. Of course, I have a Roku TV. You know, everybody should have a Roku TV. They're the best. So yeah, my remotes are usually here. So yeah. That 5 and Below, Walmart. My aunt got those made for me, Ross. Okay, so now to the bed that everybody asks about is my bed. They always say, where did you get your headboard? It's not just a headboard, ladies and gentlemen. It's a whole bed, okay? So this bed, I got it from Comfy Furniture. This bed is amazing. This is my dream bed. I've always wanted one of these beds. So quality is A1, okay? It has like the rhinestones in it. These are just like little silver studs or whatever. I guess these are like stud thingies. They're not rhinestones, but yeah. So this bed is amazing. really heavy, top quality. It's amazing. I love this bed. This is on sale for $500. I think it was regular like $800. It's really not that much, honestly. I would think this bed would be more. This bed was only on sale for $500, like I said. So yeah, I love this bed. It's regular $800. So it's not just a headboard, guys. It's a whole bed. So when you ask me where did I get my headboard, it's not just separate from the bed. It's a whole bed together. So yeah. These are my sconces. I got those from Ross as well. These sconces were like, how much were they? I thought the price would still be on it, but it's not. I think they were like $8 a piece. Probably even cheaper than that. But they come on automatically at night. They have batteries. They have batteries that you put in here, AAA batteries, and they come on automatically. You can set them to what time you want them to come on and set them what time you want them to come off. So yeah, those are from Ross. This picture of this bridge, I love pictures like this. This is from Didi's discount. And I think it was just like $10. Like all of my stuff is super cheap. Like I love to shop like affordable stuff. Like I don't spend my money. Like I don't overdo it. Like if I can get something for the low, I'm gonna get it for the low, okay? So yes, this picture was only like $10. Super cute. So if y'all wanna know where I got my pillows from, this pillow right here was from Amazon. It was only like $2. These pillows right here, these are from Ross. The tag is still on these also. So I think they were, yeah, $14.99 each. I love pillows. So they used to be, these pillows used to be on top of that when I had it in my apartment. But anyway, so yeah. Those are from Ross. This came with my bedspread, as you can see, because it goes with this. These pillows, all three of these fluffy pillows are from the dollar store. Tags are still on these. These were only $6. I don't know why I keep my tags on everything, but I do. These pillows right here, these fluffy pillows right here, these are from Comfy Furniture as well. They came with my bed. Well, they didn't come with my bed. I wanted them to go with my bed, so I was like, I want those pillows too. So yeah, I got them. These white pillows came with this comforter set, and then these are just from Walmart. So yeah, this comforter set right here, this all white comforter set, it goes with that pillow as well, but that pillow is not gonna go on my bed. But anyway, this comforter set is from Wayfair, wayfair.com. They have so many cute comforters. You can choose from like all different kinds of colors and stuff like that. So yeah, this is from Wayfair, and I think it was like $60. I really can't remember, but yeah, it was like $60, I guess. And then these cute little curtains. Y'all, I'm so like, I love like sparkly stuff. So these curtains are from Ross. Don't remember how much they were. I got these like 3 years ago. So yeah, I love white. And then we have my self-portrait of myself, of course, because I just love myself so much. I'm supposed to have another one in here, but it's not in here yet. But anyway, this frame is $14.99. This was from Walmart. This black frame was from Walmart. I got my picture blown up at Walgreens. So you can go to Walgreens and get any picture you want blown up this size. And I think it was just like $20. So I got my picture blown up for one of my photo shoots, and it was like $20. And I bought this frame from Walmart for $14.99. And this is my lucky $2 bill. My brother gave me those $2, and I just don't want to spend them because he's so cute. So he gave me those, and I'm not going to spend those either. Okay. Also, we have this little door hanger thing, rhinestone. This is from Didi's discount as well. This was just like $5.99. This is super cute. I hang my robe on here, my purse. I hang my jackets, everything like that. I hang here. And then this purse, I know somebody's gonna ask. This is from Aldo. I've been having this purse. I actually bought it from my mom for, Mother's Day 2 years ago. And yeah, once she got tired of it, I just started carrying it, and I love it. So yeah, this is from Aldo. This is a pink robe. My aunt bought me this. I told y'all she loves me, so yeah, my aunt bought me this, my pink robe or whatever. And then we have, here is my white rug. This is from Ross as well. This is $40. These rugs are like super top quality. Like both of these, top quality. Like these are not your regular fur rugs. You know what, y'all? Look at these. I did not steal this, but they left this on here and it did not beep when we left out the door. And I just never moved. I just never got it removed, but yeah, it's still on here. The pricing is still on here too, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to pick it up, and it's stuck under my bed. So, but I believe it was $40. If not, it was like $45. It wasn't over $45. I promise you it wasn't. But yeah, this right here, this is from Ross as well. This is like a little soft bench. You can sit on it. You can decorate it. You can do whatever you want to with this bench. Super cute. This is from Ross. Just said that. This was like $30, $40. Yeah, and it has like the metal, silver metal legs. And yeah, this is my camera. My mom bought me this camera. I actually don't know how to film on this camera yet, so I haven't tried it, but hopefully I figure it out. Yeah, it's a little, I got this for Christmas. It's a Minolta camera. It takes really cute pictures. I've used this for some of my product pics, and also just like I've done a lot of pictures on here just to post on Instagram as well. This is from DD's Discount. This is a $5 speaker, and it works really well. This is my mom's phone. I was listening to music on here. My phone case. These are my journals. I got these from DD's Discount as well. I write all my my goals and stuff in these, my invoices. I just keep up with a lot of stuff in these journals, and I like the ones that have little like quotes, like happy thoughts. This one says, embrace the positive, make time for those who matter most, always be humble, love always, take an adventure, rise with the sun, reach for the stars, and dream big. That's my favorite one. I got my Boujee lip gloss right here. Stay glossed up, period. And then, like I said, my remotes. And then this is my TV. I don't know how to pronounce this. Skeptra, I don't know, but I got this from a Black Friday sale. This is a 55-inch TV, and it was only $230. So I was like, I'm getting this TV. I usually have like an LG TV or something, but my LG TV, it was really small. It was like a 32-inch, and I gave it to my little brother. So I actually had a LG 55-inch. Was it LG? I think it was LG. It was a 55-inch. It fell off my apartment. It fell off my wall in my apartment when I lived by myself. So that's another story. So I had to get another one for Black Friday, and this was only $230 for a 55-inch. Isn't that something? It's amazing. I'm supposed to get my LED lights around it. I still haven't ordered them from Amazon yet, but once I do, I'll do another room tour, blah, blah. Okay, so now we're gonna get into, oh, and I have my head here, ordered this from Amazon where I do my wigs. And then we have Prince. Hi. Okay, I hate this closet because first of all, it doesn't open all the way when I need it to. So I have to switch sides every time I'm trying to look for something. So here, that's just my dirty clothes hamper, my bags, purses and stuff like that. So these are my clothes. I wish they were color coordinated. I would like to do that one day. These are my shoes. Y'all, I love shoes. So other side. My jeans are on one side and my tops are on one side. So these are my jeans and stuff like that. And then these are more shoes. Down here, I just have my sunglasses for my business. I have my hair tags, my t-shirts. Some of my t-shirts are in here in this box. And then I have my wigs. A lot of my wigs are in here. I will pull it out, but I don't feel like it. My wigs are in there. And then I have eyelash casing here for my eyelashes. So we're gonna move over to our other closet. I have two closets, by the way. Still not enough space. This one actually has a light. It's kind of dirty, but excuse me, y'all. This dresser is really old. I got this when I first moved to Dallas. As you can see, one of the handles are missing. That sucks, I know. But anyway, so I got me some noodles because I love cup noodles. Nobody in my house likes them really. So I keep them in my room. I also keep like juices like this in my room. If, you know, because sometimes we just have a lot of water in the fridge and sometimes I just want some juice. So I have this in here for like hard times when I want some juice. And then I have more of my business stuff in here. I have my new tops that I haven't showed y'all yet on YouTube, but that I haven't shown my YouTube family yet. But I have my Boujee tops, and then I have these little tops as well, my Boujee Babes tops. I have a few of these left that I'm gonna add on the site. I think I might do a giveaway on one of these, not sure, and a giveaway on one of these, but I don't know, we'll see. So those are my tops. There's a lot of junk over there, we're not gonna get into that. My slides, I got these little boots over here, blah blah. Like I said, this dresser is really old, look at that. So I need a new dresser for sure. More shoes. Too many shoes. These are all my jackets and Nike sweaters and stuff like that. But here's my little perfume, cocoa butter lotion, my car keys. Here's another phone that like we use. This is a 6 Plus. Just in case like we lose a phone or something like that, we have a backup. This is my towel when I take a shower. I put it in here. Sunglasses. These are my Gucci slides, my only pair of designer, unfortunately. I cannot wait until I can purchase like more designer. This is my very first real pair of Gucci slides. They're just Gucci slides. I wish they was like some Gucci heels or a Gucci purse, but unfortunately it's not. But yeah, so those are my Gucci slides in here in the box. Also has some mail in here. So then my Gucci slides. And I got my little Nike hats right here, my pink hat. When I want to wear a hat when I don't feel like doing my hair. My MAC empty container so I can get me a free lip gloss right here. Oh my god, y'all need to try this soap. I keep my soap in my room because I don't like nobody using my stuff, like nobody. So I keep my soap in my room. This is like a limited edition, like you see it here. This soap smells so good. Like I don't use nothing but Dove on my body. That's it. These are my Michael Kors little bags that my bracelets came in. Got my BC powder when I get ready to go out. My batteries for my sconces. And yeah, so you know that pretty much does it. So that's pretty much it, you guys. So that is my room, my mini room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, let me know what you guys would like to see in the comments, and I will make it happen. Thank you for watching. Bye, Boujee Babes.